Hello to this new very exciting demo about Speckle server, Grasshopper and Caramba, Python and Streamlit app. Let's see what we can display with using the Speckle server. So here I have the steel structure from the previous video. I've organized the data, have the cross sections, the elements ID and the two types of steel, and I've also exported the extend Speckle objects with the properties to Speckle, and these were the lines from Caramba 3D. Now let's see how would one Speckle utilization of steel profiles Streamlit page would look like. Here I would need the Speckle token, which is a hidden environment variable in the code. The user input will be the global geometry of the structure, and here I can define if the group of elements have steel as 355 or as 235. I will send the data to Speckle, and I will be able to see the latest commit, the updated changes in the dimensions, and this table in Plotly with the characteristics of profiles. Let's start over in the Python. I will run the Python file, the Streamlit page, where I will give the hidden Speckle token. So here I have the current dimensions. Let's give something else. And for character letter, let's make the beams beginning with L. Send data. Now I'm able to view the new commit directly in the Speckle server, and I have two lists. The one is showing me the width, height and length, which I've gave, and these are my members. Going back to Grasshopper, here I could also receive my updated values, so 5, 15, 15, and is calculating with these new values. Now I'm sending, and it's very important that in this script I have the new commit ID in a text file, and I can now compare it to the one in Streamlit. In Streamlit I reload the page, getting back the Speckle token, and let's check. Yes, 5, 15, 15, S7C, this was my latest commit, and here for the L beams I have the steel S355. Let's make something else with the profiles. For example, I want my first group QT to have also 300 profile. I can send it back, reload the page. Let's show also the viewer, and here I have the changed positions for QT, also 300. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again. Bye.